As the seasons turn and the new year dawns, Kaboer extends our most sincere New Year greetings to all colleagues, partners, and friends on the occasion of the upcoming Year of the Horse Spring Festival. Over the past year, rooted in Shenzhen, China, Kaboer has deepened its expertise in flexible circuit boards, rigid flex circuit boards, HDI high-frequency high-speed circuit boards, and PCBA. Leveraging our in-house PCBA factory, we rigorously control production quality, refine end-to-end services, and welcome clients for on-site factory visits. Through integrity and professionalism, we have earned industry recognition and steadily advanced the quality and efficiency of all our operations. We express our gratitude to all colleagues for their united efforts, diligent work, steadfast dedication, and relentless pursuit of excellence. We also thank our partners for their enduring trust, collaborative journey, and shared commitment to mutual growth and a prosperous future. A new year heralds a fresh chapter, ushering in the Year of the Horse. In the coming years, Kaboer will continue to deepen its expertise in core areas, refining technologies, and optimize services. Leveraging the advantages of our in-house manufacturing facilities, we will intensify our focus on flexible circuits, HDI, and PCBA solutions. We remain committed to delivering superior products and comprehensive one-stop solutions to our clients. Together with partners across industries, we will spur our horses forward, achieve new milestones, and set fresh benchmarks in the sector. Wishing everyone a prosperous Year of the Horse, health and happiness for your families, smooth progress in all endeavors, and a bright future ahead.